Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today we will learn about Python if else statement. So as we can understand, decision making is a key part of almost all programming languages. So in each programming language there is a decision making, okay, and it comes under the decision making part where we used if else or any conditions where we are using that comes in the decision making part. So as the name suggests, it allows you to run a specific block of code based on a decision. These decisions depend on whether certain conditions are true or false. So here we will use if else to check the condition whether it's true or false. Condition checking is the foundation of decision making. It decided which codes to execute. So whatever the block particular you will make for the in the conditions. So if the condition will be true, only then that block will execute, otherwise it will move forward to the next one. So now here is the example that we can understand, like here is the age is equal 18, and here I have given a condition to this code like if age is greater than or equal to 18. So first the condition will be checked. If this condition will be true, then this statement will be print you are eligible to vote, otherwise else part will be executed. So we will understand this program in Visual Studio Code. So let's come to Visual Studio Code, and here I will create one file which is a condition. Okay, so condition dot py. Now I'm going to paste here the code and we will save the program and run it. So here you can see the output. You are eligible to vote, because here is we are checking the conditions and condition is true. That's why this part of code is executing. So we are just copying and pasting the code because we just wanted to, I just wanted to save time, yours and mine as well. Now here is the decision making statement in Python. So basically there are three kind of statement, which is as first is a if statement, second is a if else statement, and third is a nested if statement. So first we will understand about the if statements, how it works. In if statement, it checks a condition. If the condition is true, the code inside the if block runs. Now here is the example like x is equal to 10, and if x is greater than 5, then only this part will execute. So I'm going to copy again this code and we'll come to Visual Studio Code. I'm going to make whole code as a comment. Now I will paste here the code and we'll check how it is working. So x is greater than 5. This part is executing because this condition is true. If this condition will false, like suppose that I am just writing here 4, then we have not given any statement here, so this will be blank, as you can see in the output. And again I'm going to do it as a 10. Now you will see x is greater than 5. So let's understand now. There's a second one, which is a if else statement. So how it works: if else statement, it checks a condition and provides an alternative, the else block, if the condition is false. So in if statement, as we have understood that if the condition will be true, then only the statement will be print, otherwise there will be blank. But if by using if else statement, if the condition is true, then also the one statement will be printed. Otherwise, if the condition is false, then the another part of the code will print. Like you can understand, like in x is equal to 3. So here first we will check the condition x is greater than 5, means 3 is greater than 5. The condition is false. So this code will come to in the else part, and else part will be executed. Now we will understand this program in a Visual Studio Code. So I have come to this part and going to make it as a comment. And now we will check another one. So here is a condition like x is equal to 3, x is greater than 5. We will check the output. X is less than or equal to 5. So here this statement has printed and this statement is false. That's why this code is not printing this one. Okay. So let's understand the third one, which is a nested if statement. So what is happening in nested if statement? In nested if statement allows if and else statement inside another if block for more complex conditions. Means we can use here multiple if inside the if block, we can use another if or else statement. So how it is working we will understand in the code, right? So like here is the example, x is equal to 8. So first this condition is true because x is greater than 5. So that is the outer condition. Now we will check 8 modulo 2. So when we will divide 8 by 2, then the remainder will be 0, means this condition also will be true. That's why this statement is going to print. Both conditions are true. That's why we are printing here x is greater than 5 and even. And this code of part will not print. So let's check in the Visual Studio Code. I'm going to copy this code and will come to Visual Studio Code. And here I'm going to make it as a comment in the same way. Okay. So now I have pasted the code and going to run this. Now we will see the output. What is the output? X is greater than 5 and even. So the value which was 8 is greater than first 5, and if we will check the remainder, so in remainder there will be 0, means this condition and this condition, both conditions are true. That's why this statement will be printed and else part will be not executed. Okay, so in this way we can understood. I hope you have understood everything about the conditions, if else conditions, nested if statement we have understood. We understood about the if else statement, we understood about the if statement. So in this way we have covered the if else statement part. I hope you really loved this video. So if you really loved this video, so please do thumbs up and your valuable comment and share this video with family and friends. Thank you. Have a great day.